going on, guys? It's me, Crazy for Cookies. And this is my peppered Skittles. He has his cage fully cleaned. Yeah, his cage has been rearranged. And the last time I swing it, a few swings, things were missing. Hang on, let me. Ahead and move this. There we go. He's got some couple of treats. He's got treats had before and some new strawberry millet. Here he is. He's the thing right there, the tall thing in the background. It's moving his head. Say hi for the camera, Skittle. Say hi to YouTube, Skittles. I'm actually just continuing my secondary channel, McEwen Skittles, and replacing it with a series where it's like vlogging, and I'm gonna have more special guests than just my sister. My next vlog is probably going to come out on the 7th of July when I'm playing with some of my other family members. Also, if you didn't notice, the last video actually had a different special guest than my sister, and my sister as well. So yeah, he eats daily blend. Skittles eats the daily blend parakeet food. He's ate it. My sister got him. My sister owned him first. Fun fact. And so yeah, I'm trying to do I'm gonna start trying to see if I can do these every day, so that way I can at least be active. And my phone screen just went green for a second there. It's done that quite a bit. It goes up. It is. So yeah. I'm just doing pretty fine. I get like stuffy noses here and there. Sometimes common colds. Nothing too extreme though. Oh, as I haven't been sick for 2 years. Maybe dropping out of Northwood Elementary School at 6th grade was a good idea because of the fact that, well, let's just say at Northwood I got sick quite often. About 2 years ago, I caught strep for the first. About 2 to 3 years ago, I caught strep throat for the first time. I was away from school for 2 days, and then so I decided not to go back to school. And it was also because of the 5th grade teachers and the special ed teacher. Well, they hated me. Well, 2 of them. So I dropped out. And so you experience weekly. Like in college, so that way I don't have to, you know. So yeah. This last spot. It used to be here. This whole spot's cleaned now, and I'm gonna probably put some storage up, put some stuff I want to store up there, and so he moved back to here, to his original spot. He's also been over there. And yeah. So, daily vlogs are going to start happening until I get in college, if I don't do online college, that is. If I do online college, you'll see tri-daily videos, when you have a video every 3 days. Like a vlog every 3 days instead. So, thank you all guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and also, can we get 50 likes? I'll definitely keep them coming for about 5 more years. I'm planning to do them for 3 years. If I get 50 likes, I'll plan to do them for more years. I'll do them the entirety of. So yeah, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to other YouTubers who own birds, like Penguin-tastic. Stick, of course, like Penguin-tastic. Of course, he owns a few budgies. Or birds, they're parakeets. See you in the next one.